Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. Today we are at Barber Cut. I was gonna say Barber Studio Kingdom. Okay. Hey guys, Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. Today we are Kingdom Barber Studio here in College Station, Texas. This is my cousin's barbershop, and we're so very proud to be able to bring his merch and his Flash UV decals. We have Miss Michaela here today and kind of tell you a little bit about Kingdom Barber Studio.
Hi, here at Kingdom Barber Studio, we're just here to provide a friendly family environment for the community. So I'll give y'all a tour.
All right, let's go ahead.
Dun, dun, dun. This is our reception area. We have a little scan right here for our customers to leave a review. And to let them know that we appreciate their business. And then we have some candies for our babies. And then we have our waiting area. And then we do have 5 chairs, and then...
Okay. I really like the red chairs. It gives it such a good pop.
Yes. Zeus, why did you choose red for our chairs?
We choose red because, we're trying to represent the blood of Christ, and just to, be the...
Hold on, let me put a mic on you. All right, so we are here with the owner-operator of Kingdom Barber Studio, Zeus. So we're just gonna ask you a few questions. As you can see, he is in the mix.com getting this handsome little honey a haircut, getting ready for Easter.
That's right.
Our question is the red, the beautiful pop of red. What is our reasoning behind the red?
Right. Red always pops, and we are a Christian-owned business, and we're proud of it. It just represents the blood of Christ, and it's something that can be like the movie star of the shop, and just kind of draw the attention.
A really good pop. Did you get a pan of it, babe?
Porch,
Oh, okay, that's what I was gonna say. So how long have you been cutting hair?
Oh man, I've been cutting hair professionally for 15 years, but I've been cutting hair professionally for 15 years, but then I've been cutting for 20 years total.
Oh, wow.
So since I was about 13.
And then you were
21 years now.
Oh, we're getting old, Zeus. We're getting, no,
I'll let you take that.
So what made you open up your very own barbershop?
I want to run things a certain way, certain music, certain conversations, and there's only one way to control the atmosphere is to, pay the rent. So
own the atmosphere.
You got to own the atmosphere to control it. So that's one of the reasons. And then also as a man of God, as the people of God, we should be taking ground, and we should be trying to take ground instead of just working for people. We want to be the ones that people are also working for. You know what I mean?
Put ourselves in better positions to be able to be in control and
right.
provide employment and do all those great things. That's
right.
beautiful. It's beautiful to see. There's a lot of, I'm noticing a lot of people in our family are starting to really take the entrepreneur route. It makes me very, very proud, because once upon a time in my family, that wasn't an option. It was just, you go to school, you go to work, do what you got to do.
Right,
so it's cool to see us all kind of branching out and doing our own thing and what our creativity can come up with.
Right, and social media plays a big role in that. So we're able to, that's how I found out about what you did, and even though we're related and everything, I still didn't know everything that you did and what y'all provided, and I saw y'all's feed, and I was like, man, I could definitely use that at the shop, and everything just came together good.
Yeah, so it did work out good.
Can't wait to get the decals up, get everything going.
Yeah, my recommendation is get someone to help you put those decals up, because they're so big.
Right.
And what is that thing you said, babe? That ticky stack? Tax solution. Maybe someone that does like tint or something that can help install it. Yeah, that's kind of more what it feels like or what it is. Like
I got a guy in my church who does tint, so he can probably help me.
He can help you out. He'll have the tools and stuff like that.
That's right.
That is so beautiful. Is there anything else you want to share with the community, the YouTube community, the Kingdom Barber Studio community?
Well, I just want to thank everybody for all the support for Kingdom Barber Studio. All the love, all the prayers, everybody that's behind it, because it's so much more than the people that are in the building, because my church has came in clutch, family has came in clutch, and that's a big thing. And also, just don't be afraid to take that leap and go off on your own and start your own business. And and you know, be your own boss, because you know, can't nobody fire you like you. So you know, don't be afraid to take those steps, and it's not that easy, but it ain't that hard. That's one of the things I gotta say.
Prices, addresses, anything you want to...
Oh yeah. So we're here in located in Bryan, Texas, 4413 South Texas Avenue. You know, our haircuts start off at $33, but we have different prices. But we do hot towel shaves, we do facials. Oh, we love the kids. Bring the kids by. We have a family-friendly environment that's appropriate for everyone. You know, bring your grandma, bring your mom, bring your dad, bring your I don't know, maybe your puppy. But what I'm saying is that it's just an appropriate environment for everybody. But yeah, and everything can be found online, kingdombarberstudio.com. At Kingdom Barber Studio. Those are our handles for Facebook and Instagram. So yeah, y'all come give us a holler. God bless y'all.
That's beautiful. You heard it from Zeus himself at Kingdom Barber Studio. If you have any questions, comments, please comment down below, and we'll be sure to put all his stuff, all his handles, website, and all of that down below as well. If you're ever in the College Station, Bryan area, stop by Kingdom Barber Studio, and please send us a video after you get all of this stuff up so we can see. Oh, let's go ahead and look at his merch and stuff real quick that we brought him. Let's go look at it. Okay.
So like, there's like, when you get back.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and finish the tour. Whose station is this, Michaela?
This is my station, and then this is right there. It's just us two here right now, but we're still providing excellent customer service.
How long have you been cutting hair?
I've been cutting hair for 2 years.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That's amazing. Oh,
And
let me
then
skip.
here is our shampoo area, and then our towels, our hot towel warmer for the hot towel shaves. And then we plan on putting the decals around the shop. We still have some things to do, but so far the restroom is around the corner. But yeah, we just...
Yeah, those flash UV decals are gonna look amazing on the wall because they're really big. I know we said the dimensions, but to really see them, they're...
Some of those small ones that you added as well.
Oh yeah, I gave you a ton of small ones.
Yeah.
I just want to sit here real quick because I love getting my hair washed.
And it's real comfortable, real flexible.
Oh yeah, if you need to get your hair washed, oh yes, girl, come here.
Look, just real. She can get a little massage.
Yeah. That's funny. I need to get my hair done.
All right, you guys want to open up those?
Yeah, let's go ahead and look at the merch that we did. I think we did about 30 shirts. And then I did one for baby girl because I did the wrong size last time. I did an adult small. Oh, and then I brought you some more extra ones. Yeah, because we just had extra ones. So we have all of our shirts ready. So we have mediums, large, extra large, and 2X.
Oh, and that's the one that she's wearing.
Yes, beautiful.
Yes,
That beautiful gradients. Oh, and then the pink, it's kind of like a glitter effect. Approved. So then we always, if we print more, we'll definitely give you extras. And he can just press these with an iron if he doesn't have a heat press. Little iron here, and then some extra crowns. We added crowns. Anything you need. And then, should we unroll those? Because it's so big. And we do recommend, Michaela, once these are unrolled, to kind of chop them up. Is this the big one or the little one? Just because they're on this roll and then they're decals. Yeah, I'm gonna have you hold that in. So you see how it's kind of lifting up off this paper. So if we just cut each one of them out, then it'll be, you know, they won't.
Oh, maybe this is the one we'll do the thumbnail with.
Okay.
Yeah, outside.
And then we were able just to add a whole bunch of extra ones.
Oh, these are nice.
Yeah, they came out really, really, really good. See how big this scripture is? Like, that's gonna look so good on the wall. Oh, here's the big old crayon. Yeah, so then there's 2 more big sheets in that roll. Well, you get on this side, honey, so we can hold it like that. We're gonna take a picture for the thumbnail. This is tight.
I'm in wide angle, so.
Oh, okay. Perfect. So, so these scriptures are what's gonna go around. Oh, okay.
Oh wait, these scriptures are one is going right there.
Might put 1 or 2 of them right there.
But this one's
the kingdom.
this one's white.
Yeah, this is nice. And then you have all these extra ones that you can give out or you can sell or whatever you want to do. But we tell your mama, girl, tell your mama. Do you want to open? Well, it won't open. Okay, so I'm going to flip it so I can roll it back. Watch that tape, yeah. It's for apparel, which goes on clothes, everything, and then these go on anything else.
Okay.
So we pretty much got you covered, you know, with clothes, and you can go on your computer, your laptop, phone, anything. Oh, so that big Kingdom is going right here, Zeus? Oh, that's gonna look so good. Yeah, because that Kingdom is big. It's gonna look.
That can go on there?
Yeah. For sure. Yeah, for sure.
Oh, I thought these were for the window.
Yeah, he thought it was because he was like, well, that Kingdom's going to be too little for these windows, but it's too big, sorry. But it's perfect for that. I forgot that is what we set it for. And then on your car, to promo, anything like that. This is a good location, too.
These are our products. We have styling powder, beard oil, hair gel paste, and we have this apricot scrub. That's for like facials to exfoliate your face. We do carry olive level 3 products, and then we carry Juke Diesel beard oil.
Is this a local beard oil?
Yes, it's a local barber.
Oh.
He started his own
beard line. Shout out to Juke. And so level 3, I haven't heard of that. That's for in the barber community, like a brand in the barber community. The level 3 brand?
The level 3, yes, ma'am.
I wanted to smell it.
Your husband has a beard.
So she's you don't even got a beard. I mean, my mustache got a little thick. You can line me up for Easter, Zeus. I was like, oh, my mustache getting thick. Yeah.
And then
Daughter says it's not a mustache, it's a peach fuzz.
Oh, mine's past peach fuzz, girl. Mine, them fuzz, I don't know about that.
And then other than, we do offer hot towel shakes, but we do also offer facials to get your skin cleared and stuff like that. So here we have like our facial stuff set up, but for right now, until we get somebody else in here, this is like our facial station. So we just got a new little thing in this week. This is to get all of your blackheads.
Oh, you
and
push
so
it out?
Like, it vibrates. And like you just push it like on your nose.
You gotta wait till your brother.
So we gotta get you one of those.
Yeah.
Oh, you wanna do it real quick, Zeus? 5 seconds. What do you wanna do, babe?
Outtake.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and close out the video. Thank you for allowing us to bombard your shop for today. I know you're busy right before Easter, but we appreciate you. So we're gonna go ahead. Zeus is gonna take us out.
Hold on. We didn't talk about.
Yeah, why are you doing like that?
I know, Zeus is gonna take it out. Or whatever.
So
Hey,
I just say what I want to say.
Yeah.
And then just okay.
We just wing it.
Go ahead and do that again. Just do that again, please.
Okay, what did I say? I don't even remember what I said.
It's okay, I'm gonna cut it anyway.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and end this video with Zeus and Michaela. Thank you so much for showing us around and allowing us to show up at your shop in the middle of haircuts. I know it's a busy season with Easter, so we appreciate you. Is there anything you want to say before we head out?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I appreciate y'all coming out. You know, everything looks good. The decals look good. I appreciate y'all coming through and delivering those personally. So I'm looking forward to doing more business with y'all. And thank y'all for coming through again. So we are Kingdom Barber Studio here in Bryan College Station area. Just thank y'all for coming out. We appreciate y'all. God bless y'all.
God bless you. Babe, get the cross in his hair.
Oh,
Get the cross on his head. Look at the...
Hey, tell them what I said, Michaela.
Plus sign.
Hey, I told my homeboy. I said I needed a cross. That's a plus sign. It's all right. It's all right.
That's so funny.
Oh my God. You know I was going to be basic.
All right, bye.